Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button below. If you're back again, welcome back, baby. Today we're gonna have a cute little Saturday vlog. I'm gonna start the day off by cleaning Jakor's room up. Then we're gonna go pick up some food and head to my mom's house. And then we're gonna end the night with a fun and chill best friends night. My best friend is gonna make some bomb shrimp and grits, and I do mean bomb. You'll see that at the end of the video, but this is our first vlog, so let me know how you like it, or what type of vlogs you want to see more of, and yeah, just kick it with us. Talk to you all soon.
Y'all know that feeling?
So she's having, of course, a slight meltdown in the middle of me cleaning. This is why I have about 2 very big cups of coffee a day. Okay, I'm probably pushing it, maybe about a cup and a half, but almost done cleaning her room. Gonna get her down for her 12:25 nap. The sound machine should be coming on soon. She is tired and that's why she's whining. But I am trying to get her on a routine, so I'm not gonna put her down before 12:25. We're gonna get her room clean, get her down for a nap. And I was talking to my best friend. We're gonna go over there today, possibly see my mom. And yeah, we're just gonna have a real chill Saturday. Any words of encouragement besides your tears and your shiny face? No? You want to tell everybody to have a good day? Thinking about it? Maybe. All right, I'm gonna put her down. Finish cleaning. She really just had a meltdown because she was trying to grab the camera herself. And we're not gonna do that, boop. Gentle. Okay, so I'm all done cleaning up her room until she decides to take everything out again. Her toys are just put up in a Louis Vuitton bag because I refuse to buy a toy box, but it does the job for now. So this is clean. Hey y'all, so Jakor and I are on the way to my mom's house. We are going to stop and pick up some food first. I'm hungry, my mom's hungry, Jakor's hungry. So we're going to go to a place here called Aristote's because I want a chicken fajita on a pita. And my mom wants to eat gyro. Fun fact, I've never had a gyro in my life. Maybe I'll try it one day. Maybe I'll do a video of me trying it. I just never have, I don't know if it's the look of it. I don't know if it's the way people eat them, but I've just never been like, you know what, I want to try that. So not gonna try it today, but maybe one day I will. So yeah, we're about to go pick up some lunch. The more that I'm driving my car, the more I want a car wash. I'm tired of snow. I'm tired of looking at snow on my car. I'm just tired of snow. I would really like to run through a car wash right now, but the last time I went to a car wash and got a car wash and vacuumed out my car, Jakor had a complete meltdown the entire time. So note to self, you can never vacuum your car out with the kid in the car or ever get a car wash with the kid in the car. But yeah, I would show you all the beautiful snowy scenery, but everything just looks disgusting. Like the cars are filthy, the snow is filthy. I'm over it. I don't even understand why I still live in Chicago at this point. So yeah, see y'all soon.
To move on to the next thing, cause that'd be my problem. I'll be having to get signatures when I be at lab, and then so it'd be It be only like a little people. Oh my god, I'll be fucking that shit up. I was just like, just run this please. I'll be begging.
Did she ever take any of it or no?
Yeah, that's some of them, a little bit of them vegetables.
That's your fault though. Ain't nobody's fault but yours.
This is a real good. That big when she got her ears here, like
That's my first
it's just fire up in here.
Flash on.
I got a video like this in one of those.
Oh no, go ahead. It adds character.
I think it's too early to say
I don't know the sear, but I don't understand why they're not searing.
These here. And we're just gonna do a little sample.
Oh, the pear. I mean, damn,
Okay.
I thought I stopped doing it.
It's on your reel. I'm making a reel too. You'll get 20K views.
Okay, I got you.
4 seconds, 5 seconds. Ooh, Jakor. She ain't gonna get no emotions. 1.3. It's too dark.
We don't do overcooked shrimp over here.
Series. Are Cool Ranch Doritos Flamin' Hot. Or Doritos Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch. Look at this greatness.
Wow, that's gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt, Destiny.
Look at all that seasoning.
It's gonna hurt.
Oh, take one.
Now, it takes a while for it to hit. You gotta keep on eating them to really get them.
I'll taste that. Alright, let's deglaze.
Gotta remember that YouTube ain't real. I be getting a little fast.
My mom was like, where did that come from? They always wait for the I got a problem. This is the perfect thing to be playing while you're making shrimp and grits. You know, you got the Creole flavor.
Oh, you got a double, the double ninja?
Y'all ain't never had this before. I promise. Amazing. Baby, your godmama snapped. So I told Destiny that I was going to wait for her to get back downstairs to start eating. It was too good. And the taste test upstairs, I was giving. You need to eat right now. Like, honestly, this is going to be a problem. I'm probably going to request this from her once a month. And I know that this took a lot of work. And I honor that. I honor that it took a lot of work. It did. I was here from the time that she started cutting up the vegetables. It's so good that I'm filming on my phone right now. I'm not even filming on my camera anymore. Amazing. The chicken sausages, the andouille chicken sausage, amazing. Everything, amazing. I don't even need to go to a restaurant no more. Why? Oh, my best friend is doing it like this? Baby, please. First time I ever had shrimp and grits was about 4 years ago in a Hello Fresh kit. And I did shrimp and grits with spinach and tomato. And so it was the meal of the day. Of course I ate it because it was HelloFresh, and what else did I have to eat? My mom was doing HelloFresh and it was amazing. But the shrimp and grits tops any restaurant I've had, like any. I've had chefs cook shrimp and grits for me before. It's giving creamy, it's giving texture, it's giving flavor, it's giving, I'm gonna take something to go. Like, Mom and Dad, I'm sorry, y'all upstairs eating this as well. I'm about to sneak something to go because this is too good. It's too flavorful not to have it Sunday morning for breakfast. Like, I'm spilling food on my shirt, on my jacket. Like, that's how good it is. Amazing. She did what needed to be done. I don't know. Maybe I could ask her to give y'all a recipe. Give y'all a little tutorial. But baby, in heaven. I could eat this twice a week, honestly. Destini, she can't hear me because she's making her bowl. But let's give me what it needs to give. As the girls say it. The girls that get it. And the girls that don't, y'all just don't. But this, I get it. I get it.
Myself, and I used to cook a lot.
Wow. Bitch just gonna be hating. Okay, we wanna get a taste tester. No. This girl Malika from, what's her name? I don't know, but Louis and Pearl. My mom will be saying that.
Bless you.
Okay, we can just use the sound of your voice, but I want to know. I want to get your first taste impressions. The chef herself, because me and Paris, we've been killing the shit.
Look at Jakor. She's going crazy. Gotta get everything in a bite. You see this? Everything.
Paris said the shit was so good. He thought your family was Creole.
Okay.
You got some Creole ancestors.
Snapped.
You have to, dude.
Gotta be in that bloodline, okay?
Snapped.
Because I said, you know what I said?
Wow.
If this is what this is